Sunday. Ooh, what is that? That is the stairs. All right, look at that. It's going to be a double tiers stairs. You're going to drop twice on both sides, here and right there. That's going to look really nice when complete. All right, guys, what's going on? We are here at part 4 in Verona at the Paver project. Look, I'm going to update you guys what's going on today. It is Sunday. Yes, of course, it's a day to rest, but we're getting things done. If you come over here to this side, you'll see that a lot of the retaining walls already leveled out, even on that side over there. And the biggest thing that you're going to notice here, an update to, is the stairs, where they're going to drop from the house down about 2 grades and wrap around. So if they want to, the clients, they can walk down from here that way, or they can walk down to this way. After we're done with all of this, we are going to drop down the pavers. All right, guys, it is the end of the day. You see that we got a lot done. The paver floors are down. You also see the borders all around to the back. The stairs back here will be done tomorrow, which will be Monday, and we should complete by the end of Monday. If not, Tuesday will be done. We have to put some more walls down there. Then that's it. This project will be done. You'll be heading with us to Fairfield, Bloomfield, and the Caldwells. We still have a few more pavers and a few more decks to do to complete, and a lot more interior projects. Guys, until next time, thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful